Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a really easy tutorial to just pull your hair back for a cute little date night. You can do this like anytime. You can do this during the day or you can do this at night. It takes like less than 5 minutes to do, just to pull your hair up, give it a little something fun, and hit the town. So if you would like to see how I did this, please keep watching. Alright guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it. This was just a really super easy, fun little date night just to get your hair back off your face and go out and have a good time. So I hope to see you soon. Alright, bye!